Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to do a get ready with me video. So come on, let's get started. Today I'm using all kinds of different products from different companies. I will be using products from Wet n Wild, e.l.f., NYX, Maybelline, L'Oreal, and Ulta. I've already washed my face and moisturized my face, so now we're going to begin by putting on my Urban Decay Eye Primer. Okay, I do like the Urban Decay Eye Primer. I think it is pretty amazing. Now I'm going to put on my IT foundation, but a trick that I've learned recently is mixing it with a little bit of my IT Confidence in a Cream. Does a little better for someone with a little age on them, like I have a little age on me. So I'm gonna mix that together. Then I'm going to apply it. Use your ring finger because it won't pull as much on that delicate area around your eyes. I want my skin to look as youthful as possible, and this seems to work really well. For blush, I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick called Nude Nuance. It's kind of like a soft burgundy-ish color. Just gonna put a little bit on there and blend it in. On more mature skin, it's better to use a cream blush versus a powder blush because the powder seems to fill in the lines too much and accent lines, and we don't want that. This is my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit around my nose and just fill that area in because I have little red veins. And this works really good for an inexpensive concealer. Now I'm gonna put on my CoverGirl eyebrow pencil, and this is called Honey Brown, and it works pretty good for redheads. Going to add some translucent powder to my face in my T-zone area and my neck area. I'm going to use NYX Eye Shadow. This is not a super expensive eyeshadow, so we're going to go with it today. Again, with a matte, like ivory color. I'll wash my lid with that. And now I'm going to use the chocolate brown on the end. Take a blending brush and just blend that all together. NYX is a pretty good everyday kind of eyeshadow. I have an Ulta white eyeliner. It's called Halo, and I'm going to outline the inside of my eye and right at the corner of the top of my eye. Okay, I can tell you right now, I do not care for Ulta's white Halo eyeliner for lining the inside of my eyes. So I got the pencil I use most of the time, and this is called Palladio. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's white, and I like it a lot better, just being honest. So let's try this again. Definitely Palladio works a lot better than the Ulta pencil. For my regular eyeliner, it is an Ulta brand eyeliner, but it's a gel pencil and the color is called Blackout. So now I'm going to outline the corners of my eyes. The other day, I decided to try e.l.f. mascara, and for an inexpensive mascara, I was amazed. It's a little sticky, it takes a little bit of time to dry, but it goes on pretty good and it does not irritate my eyes. So now I'm going to put on my e.l.f. black mascara. I use NYX Lip Primer, and I really like this a lot. And L'Oreal Lipstick, and this is Toasted Almond. That, my friend, is my makeup for today, and there are just certain things I'm not willing to compromise on, and that is a really good foundation and moisturizer. I use my own moisturizer at nighttime, and but for lipsticks and pencils, things like that, I'm willing to try different products. And I would have to say, for the e.l.f. mascara, I give it a thumbs up, and I paid $1.50 for this. You cannot beat that for mascara. Well, thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.